Welcome to your Opel Combo van. This short video will inform you about the daily checks and using the Combo. The Combo is powered by a diesel engine and has a 5-speed manual gearbox. To open and lock the Combo, use the buttons on the key. Before you set off, carry out a walk-around check. The daily safety check only takes a minute but could save a life. Pay particular attention for any damage to the van's body, its lights, windscreen and side mirrors, and make sure they're all clean. Check the tyres for obvious damage and that there is enough tread. There is a manual wear indicator you can feel in between the grooves of the tyre. Make sure the tyres are inflated properly. Tyre pressure values are printed in the handbook but also found inside the front door and above the wheel arches. If you find a fault, record it in the defect book and contact your local supplier to arrange the repair work. In the cabin, the dashboard features a number of warning lights that light up when the ignition is switched on and go out moments later. If any light stays on, consult the owner's manual found in the glove box. If amber lights stay on, contact your local supplier, but if a light stays red, stop and contact LeasePlan on 1-800-525456. Secure any loose objects and check that the windscreen wipers, washers, lights and horn all function. Remember to check the fuel gauge and fill up as needed. The diesel filler cap is at the rear of the passenger side. The handbrake is positioned between the driver and the passenger seat. If you are parked facing uphill, apply the handbrake and engage first gear. If you are pointed downhill, apply the handbrake and engage reverse gear. The headlights are operated via a dial on the right of the dash. The main beam and flash function are on the left-hand stalk of the steering column, as is the turning indicator. You can manually adjust the headlight angle depending on your load using this numbered dial. You can also dim or brighten the dashboard lights with the adjacent dial. A toggle dial on the left-hand stalk allows you to see different displays from the trip computer. A button on the end of the stalk allows the settings and values to be reset. The right-hand stalk operates the wipers and screen wash function. The steering wheel has a number of buttons. Your left hand can be used to access the speed limiter and cruise control settings. A toggle switch allows you set and adjust the speed. Your right hand can control the audio functions. The driver's seat can be adjusted to suit your body. The steering wheel rake and reach can be adjusted using the column-mounted lever. Remember to lock it back in place once set. The Combo has a Bluetooth sound system. To pair a phone for the first time using Bluetooth, turn on the stereo, then press Menu. Click OK on the Bluetooth option. Click OK for search for a new device. On your device, turn on its Bluetooth search function. When you see BT audio displayed on your device and your phone's name displayed on the stereo, click to pair. You can allow further access to your phone when prompted. The Combo's rear doors are capable of opening extra wide by pulling on a lever. The Combo is fitted out with a lightweight Sortimo conversion. There is an anti-slip, anti-scratch safety floor, custom shelving and numerous clever storage solutions. The racking is secured by bolts to the safety floor, which gives a fully crash-tested solution. There are hook strip accessories that can be used for hanging PPE equipment. The racking has a weight limit of 100 kg per shelf and heavier items should be stored lower down. Boxes are hung below the shelf, allowing you to have double the storage space. Also in the conversion is a 12-volt supply inside the rear door. It is important that you check the racking tightness every 3 months. If you have any issues with your Sortimo conversion, please report it to LeasePlan on 1-800-525456. Maintenance should be carried out according to the service schedule and arranged by the driver with a local supplier. In day-to-day use, the driver may need to fill the washer reservoir. This is done by pulling the bonnet lever that is usually concealed by the passenger door. There is a latch under the bonnet's leading edge. The windscreen washer reservoir is to the left and the filler has a blue cap. The oil can be checked using the orange-coloured dipstick. The oil filler cap is located on top of the engine block. Other fluid reservoirs feature and their levels should be periodically checked, especially the coolant. At large intervals, a driver will see a dash display indicating the need to top up the AdBlue tank. This is done via its unique blue filler nozzle beside the diesel nozzle. You must go to your nearest LeasePlan supplier who will top up the AdBlue for you. If you need assistance changing a damaged wheel or with a breakdown, contact LeasePlan on 1-800-525456. Finally, may we wish you safe and happy driving in your Opel Combo van.